Welcome home to 318 Road. This all-brick ranch sits on over half an acre just minutes from Liberty Park and the marina. Enter into this living room with hardwood floors. It also has great windows allowing for plenty of natural light. The kitchen has all stainless steel appliances. There is a spacious dining area with view of backyard. Here is another view showing the openness to the kitchen. The master bedroom has a ceiling fan. And here is a view of the attached master bath. There are 2 additional bedrooms. And here is a view of the 3rd bedroom. This full hall bath is shared by the secondary bedrooms. The finished basement offers a great additional living space. And here is the other side. There is also an extra storage or hobby room on the basement level. Take a look at this covered deck. It is perfect for outdoor entertaining. This back view shows a 2-car basement garage. You will have plenty of storage in this additional workshop. You will have plenty of privacy. There are no neighbors in the back. This is a great home and it's ready for new owners. Call or email me today for more information.